We're here in Paris looking at a nighttime view of Notre Dame Cathedral, probably the most famous cathedral in the world. And you can actually see some of the cranes and scaffolding around it because only just a few years ago, Notre Dame had the incredibly tragic and famous fire that burned a major component of the cathedral, which was the spire in the distance that they're slowly rebuilding. So Notre Dame is kind of this icon of all of Paris, built in this Gothic style, and it's hundreds, thousands of years old, but it's been kind of built onto over the years. Made famous by a novel, 19th century novel called The Hunchback of Notre Dame by Victor Hugo. Let's go down to the center of the square, front of the cathedral. So the River Seine doesn't just run through the middle of Paris, it actually creates an island in the heart of the city. Notre Dame is in the center of that island. This is the Ile de la Cité, or Island of the City. Okay, well, it's starting to rain pretty heavily now. We've got water coming down from above. We've got a river on that side, river on that side. Basically a river coming down from above. Notre Dame, French for Our Lady, right? So it's about the Virgin Mary. A few things about Gothic architecture. You've got a big rose window in the middle, pointed arches, a row of all these biblical kings right there in the middle. Two big towers, according to legend, right? The Hunchback was up in those towers, ringing these bells thousands of years ago. Before it was actually a cathedral, it was a Roman temple. Before that, a Celtic temple. Sadly, we can't go in, still closed for construction, but maybe one day we will.